Shoot that cell down. Shoot the cell down. Shoot the cell down. Lock that bitch up! Go!
Hard story to tell, but you know, you hear a lot of stories from people who've been overseas, Iraq, Afghanistan, even the old timers, and war isn't always the same and it changes. Even Afghanistan is different, you know, depending on the part you're at.
I believe the American people need to know what we see out there on the battlefield. They need to know what we have to go through.
My name is Aaron Harrell. I am the founder of Lonely Road Productions, as well as creator and one of the executive producers for Bird's Eye View, an infantry story. Bird's Eye View is a documentary that follows the deployment of a National Guard unit out of Oklahoma, known as the Thunderbirds, the 45th Brigade, 179th Battalion, specifically Alpha Company, to include the attachments such as the FET team, known as a Female Engagement Team, as well as scouts and other attachments that help complete some of the missions. I think one of the main things that sets Bird's Eye View apart from any other documentary out there is the fact that it is a National Guard unit. Most of the time when you hear about a National Guard unit or see a National Guard unit that's deployed, it's usually in a support role. And this is something that's very unique in this situation. And that's, of course, changed quite a bit since September 11th. You've seen more and more deployments from National Guard units, but not all of them necessarily are leading the combat missions in the particular area that they were in. And this unit was.
Up top, up top! I can't! Move forward, move forward! Move forward! God damn it!
You're talking about soldiers who, just 6 months prior to gearing up for the deployment, had regular civilian jobs.
The majority of Americans do not know what soldiers actually go through on a daily basis over there, and it'll give people a really good idea, and hopefully it'll change their mindset.
So what do we need to make Bird's Eye View, an infantry story, a reality? Two things: funding, financial support, and awareness. And those are the two things. That's it. You know, and if you can only give $1, give the dollar. You know, it will go miles into making this thing a reality. But if you can't give anything, awareness. Tell somebody about it. Share it along. Give it to a friend. Tell them to give $1, and we'll put it all together and we'll make this happen. So anything you can do to help and support is greatly appreciated to help make this project happen.
I think it touched me pretty deep for people to support this.
I think Afghanistan's kind of been on the back burner for a long time because it's been such a long war. And there's stories that people will never know about. I think this is a good way to get our story out.
I come home as an individual and I've seen certain things, and I try to explain to my wife, you know, certain reasons why I was scared. And the reasons of why I was scared, she just doesn't, you're not going to understand it unless you've seen it the way we did. And this documentary is going to get you pretty close.
I think people will be shocked to hear what all really happened.